Hello everyone, welcome to Ansible learning series. In this video, we'll see how to create custom execution environment using Podman, install all the dependencies and upload that into 𝗏𝗏.io for using this in AWX. In the previous video, we have seen how to use custom environment which is available in 𝗏𝗏.io. Previously, I have created this particular environment because the playbook which I was using is having iOS facts, and this is not available by default in this particular environment. So we added this execution environment. You can see the link here. I was using this particular environment. In this video, we'll see how to create a custom execution environment, upload that into 𝗏𝗏.io. Ansible execution environment is a container which is having all the necessary dependencies and other tools installed for running the playbook. In the older AWX or Tower servers, we used to have Python virtual environment to run the playbook. Now, instead of that, we can use execution environment to run the playbook. This makes environment more standardized and portable, allowing it to run on any machine. The advantage of using execution environment is if you're sharing a playbook which is having a lot of dependencies, you don't have to share the Python environment setup or Python dependency file. You can just create an execution environment with all the required packages and share it with others. In future, if there is any update, you can update same execution environment in the container registry. Others also can download same update. In this example, we'll be using Podman for creating execution environment. Podman is also an open source container runtime and management tool. Commands are almost same as Docker. If you're familiar with Docker, it'll be easy to use Podman. To install Podman, you can use this command, sudo apt install Podman. In addition to Podman, we need Ansible builder for creating execution environment. We can install it using pip install Ansible builder. I have already installed Podman in this particular machine. We can verify that here. Podman images is same as Docker. We can get the images here. I don't have any image available, and Podman ps-a. So I don't have any containers also running. And first, I'll create a Python virtual environment, and inside that environment, I will install Ansible builder. So to create a environment, we'll use the env virtual env p Python 3.10 and demo. Now I have a new virtual environment. You can see that in this particular directory, I will get into that environment. Source env bin activate. Inside that, I'll install Ansible builder. Pip install Ansible -builder. Now if I execute Ansible builder, it is coming. So before creating a container, we need some files here. You see here in this particular directory, /demo. You can check that even from the terminal. ls /demo. We have 4 files. I'll open from here. This is the main definition file. For the execution environment, the base image I'm using AWX EE. I'll open this and show you here. So this is the default AWX EE image. You can see the file size. This will have only the default packages available. In our case, we might need some collections, Cisco iOS and other network automation related collections. We'll install those. And this is the builder image. To build the image, we'll be using this particular image. This is optional. Even if you don't give this, we can comment this. It will automatically pull the Ansible builder latest image. I'll open that. Then here, if you want to install a specific Ansible Galaxy collection, we can give that in requirements.yaml file. I just commented that, but for reference, I'll open this file. If you want to install these packages, you can give in this format. Instead of that, what I'm doing here in Python requirements. These files are not mandatory. Requirements.txt file. I'm installing Ansible. So I'm installing the complete community packages, then Ansible 𝗶𝘆𝗶𝘁, 𝗶8s, NTC template, and netmiko. Based on your requirement, you can just add the packages here. And here I'm installing complete community collections. But if you want to use only some of the collections, you can just give those names here and uncomment this line. Then you don't have to install complete Ansible into Python. You just comment this line. Then here I'm executing some commands, DNF upgrade, and just getting pip setup tool. And to run this, so here I have installed Ansible builder. I'll run Ansible builder, build, then -t will give a tag. I will call this network automation demo, because in 𝗑.io I already have network automation EE execution environment. So for testing, we'll create network automation demo. I'll give 𝗷𝗀𝗍𝑐ity 3. Enter. Now I'm into this particular directory. I need to get into EE demo directory. I'll get into that and run the command again. Now this is pulling Ansible AWX EE latest image. It will take approximately 10 minutes to complete entire process. After that, we'll have all the images available in the Podman. Now this is downloading Ansible builder. Now this is adding requirements.txt and system dependency file. And if you look into the system dependency file, I have added git and IP utils. These are the 4 files: python requirements.txt, bin dependency, requirements.yaml. Now this is creating image from AWX 𝗂𝗍. You can see here. Running DNF upgrade command. Now it is upgrading the pip setup tools. Now this is installing latest Ansible community package. You can see the version here, 7.5.0. Then 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 These all are the dependencies of 𝗫𝑖𝑎𝑡𝑠. Okay, now you can see here, commit is successful, network automation demo, and tag also has created, localhost/network automation demo latest, and we are getting success message here. So let me run Podman images, and during the process this has created all these images: Ansible builder, Ansible execution environment, and this is going to be our new image. We can directly push this to 𝗂𝗏.io. Before that, we can try creating a container using this particular image and check the packages. So let me create a container. Podman create -it -name. We'll call network EE, then localhost network automation demo latest. Now if I execute Podman -a, so I'll be able to see the new container. Container name is network EE. So let me just start this container. Podman start network EE. Now the status is up. Now Podman exec -it network EE, and we'll check the Python version inside that container. So Python version is 3.9.16. Ansible Galaxy collection list. I have installed the community package, so I have all these collections installed. If you don't want all these collections, what you can do, you can just add the required collections here, then remove this line and enable this line. Now let us verify Ansible version. Ansible version is, the core version is 2.14.5. Ansible community version is 7.5.0. Now if you want to access the terminal, Podman exec-it network EE and /bin bash. You can verify the Python package list. We have installed NTC templates, netmiko, then PyATS, Ansible 7.5.0. Exit. Now we can stop the network EE container. You don't have to do this in real time. We were just checking the packages. Now it is stopping the container. Podman RM and will give network EE. So now this got deleted. Now Podman ps-a. So now containers are empty. Now we have only images. Now we need to create a tag for pushing to 𝗂𝗏.io. Podman tag localhost, then URL is going to be 𝗂𝗏/NetworkEvolution/network automation demo. You can give any name. Now you can see the new tag. Then we need to log into Podman. Podman login.io. I have already given the credentials earlier, else this will be prompting for the username and password. In this incognito window, I have already logged in with the account. So from here we will verify while pushing the image. Now we need to push the image. Podman push and 𝗂𝗏.io. Now this will start pushing the image to this account. It will take a couple of minutes to upload. I will pause the video. Now upload is completed. We can verify that from the account. I'll refresh this page and you can see the image. I'll click on that. And I can make it public. I go to another window. Here I haven't logged in. Now so now it is not visible. I'll make it public. And if I refresh this, now we will be able to see this image. I'll copy this link, go to AWX, execution environment, automation demo. I'll paste the link here, save it. Now I can use this new image in the template. I'll edit it. Automation demo. Now it might take a couple of minutes because in the first run this is going to download the new image from this repo. Now this started running. Playbook execution is successful. You can see here now we are using the latest execution environment. Automation demo. In this way you can create custom execution environment, upload to container registry and add that to AWX. I hope this video was helpful for you to understand how to create execution environment with required packages. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.